The following guidance is specifically designed for users who have registered with Cushon for their AE qualifying pension scheme. To select your duties start date in BrightPay, click Pensions, then Automatic Enrolment. Choose the statement that applies to you. I've been employing staff since before this tax year. My first staff member will start this tax year. Or I'm exempt from auto-enrolment. And this will help you determine your duty start date. Click Save. To enter your Cushon pension scheme into BrightPay, click Add New Scheme followed by Cushon. Within registration details, enter your scheme reference in the field provided. This will have been given to you by Cushon when you completed their setup process. On the next tab, enter your group name. Select a contribution type that is to apply by clicking on the drop-down menu. Next, select the earnings basis that is also to apply. Standard qualifying earnings will apply to the earning band lower limit and upper limit as set by the DWP for the tax year in question. Custom qualifying earnings will allow you to remove these limits and set those that you require, if applicable. Click Save to save your details. Please note that contribution rates and earning bands are set as default, meeting the minimum requirements for automatic enrolment. However, each one of these is flexible to allow the employer to amend it to suit their particular pension arrangements. As soon as BrightPay detects that your automatic enrolment duties have begun, BrightPay will automatically assess your employees for you and determine whether your employees are eligible job holders, non-eligible job holders, or entitled workers. On-screen flags and yellow alerts will appear to notify you that you now have automatic enrolment duties to perform. Clicking View options will bring you through to the various actions based on this worker's category. To enroll an eligible employee, simply select Enroll and choose your Cushon group from the drop-down menu. Choose the tax relief method applicable to your pension scheme. If unsure, please do check with your pension provider. Click Continue to enroll the employee selected. Alternatively, click Enroll multiple employees with these settings to batch enroll employees who are to be enrolled into the same group. The status of each employee selected will be updated to enrolled. Once an employee has been enrolled, you must provide them with a statutory enrolment letter. An employee's enrolment letter will include information about their enrolment status, their date of enrolment, the scheme in which the employee is enrolled, contributions which are now attached to their earnings, how to opt out should they choose to do so, and the general information on how automatic enrolment will benefit the employee. BrightPay will automatically prepare an employee's enrolment letter for you. Once an employee has been enrolled, BrightPay will prompt you to print, export, or email their enrolment letter. Alternatively, should you wish to batch process your enrolment letters, simply select Create/Send Letter for multiple employees and your chosen method of communication. Enter a date if applicable and the signatory to be added to the letter. If printing or exporting the communication letter, further customization of the letter is available within the Options menu. Once the employee receives their enrolment letter, simply mark as done for this employee. Alternatively, if enrolment letters have been batch processed, select Mark as done for multiple employees. Once employees have been enrolled, have joined or opted in, their pension deductions will automatically be applied to their payslips going forward. The deductions applied to the payslip will be made in accordance with the contribution rates and earning bands selected when setting up the pension scheme in BrightPay. BrightPay facilitates the creation of the Cushon contribution file in a CSV file format for upload into their pension portal. Within the pension utility, select Contribution Summary on the menu bar, followed by Create CSV File. Choose the period which you would like to create the CSV file for, then click Next. At Step 2, select the employees you wish to include in the contributions file and click Next. Simply click Save File. Save the file to a location of your choice, ready for upload into the Cushon's Pensions portal. After your duties start, BrightPay will continue to monitor your employees for you and will alert you when you have further automatic enrollment duties to perform.